Alright, so Lucy has been wanting to do this forever, is just to come outside and play in the rain. We have on her swimming shorts. She has on her coat. Here, let's go stand out in the rain. Oh, Lucy, do you want to go to the puddle? There's a puddle over here. Go! Are you gonna sit? What are you doing? It's not like a pool, sissy. You want to go stand underneath the water over there? Let it drip on your head? Okay, so Robert joined us. He decided to go without any shoes. He's gonna go through the puddle. And Debbie joined us. She loves water.
She likes to love it. I don't know.
What do you think, Debbie?